Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't given a good update video lately. Been very busy working on the truck and just found that while doing all the rust repairs on the cab and everything, it was just too difficult to film every piece. Just became so time consuming trying to move cameras around and things like that. So figured I'd film an update video and show where I have welded the lower A-pillars, put in new outer rockers, new inner rockers, repaired floor rust, and cut out and welded in all new inner kick panels on the driver and passenger side. While we were at it, we fixed any floor issues and put on a few coats of roll-on epoxy primer. It's an Eastwood product that I really like. I've used it quite a few times in the past, and I really like how thick the coverage is, how well it adheres, and it basically gives you a good solid base to now, like for example, I will sand it and spray on one last coat of like primer sealer in preparation for paint. So next step will be to go get this paint color matched, try to match this this patina paint job, and kind of move forward with getting it ready to go back onto the frame. So getting closer to getting to the fun work, the wiring, the complicated stuff. Here's an example of a pile of rust that was cut out of the truck on the driver's side. And then, so with the cab off of the truck, kind of the plan for the truck is to have for me, like I like doing the patina trucks, but then having the engine bay like perfect. I want it to be beautiful, smooth. I want it to be like a jewelry box. I want to show off the beautiful engine, everything that's brand new on the truck, to let you see that even though it's an older looking finish, this thing is a modern beast. So while I was at it, we shaved all of the base holes in the firewall, cut out little plugs, welded them in, sanded them smooth, and then did a skim coat or two of Bondo. And we have the final product here. This is also the roll-on primer. It's in the curing stage. I'm going to let it cure for another couple days. I will sand it down, and then it'll get a spray-on primer sealer, and then it'll also be ready for paint. And definitely looks way better than what it did. This thing had a lot of random holes for no reason. I believe we are going to lean towards kind of like a mil-spec, like Deutsch connector, like a firewall connector, and we're going to separate the harness like that. That way we have a really modern looking, beautiful engine bay. We're going to, paint everything on the inside of the engine, use a flat clear. That way it still kind of has the patina look, but you'll be able to tell that it is, everything in this engine bay will be completely brand new and show off all the work that was done. So here we can see some of our work on the passenger side. See the nice new lower A-pillar, and get a look at all the work here, and then see the rust that was cut out of the passenger side. Very unfortunate that the truck was in this condition, but luckily it's all good now. I'm really looking forward to getting this thing back on the frame, painted, and then start doing the fun work. Really excited about doing that stuff. Also talked with Jim, the owner of the truck, and the doors have got such bad rust in areas where you can tell someone just packed it full of Bondo. We decided to just go with new doors, and I will paint and color match those. That'll be an interesting process, but we'll kind of wait to do that until the end. And then just really looking forward to having the truck on this beautiful frame. My garage it's just a pigsty right now, unfortunately, with all this work, having to move parts and pieces around just to kind of make room for me to actually get a chance to work on the project. But should be more steady on recording the next work. It's a little bit easier to kind of record that stuff and kind of give you, more progress videos as we move forward. But once again, Thanks for checking in, and hopefully have another video out for y'all soon.